What's up? Gabriel here from Motivated Painters, bringing you another useful video, hopefully anyways. Got a brand new bumper, brand new replacement quarter panel. So my boy Miguel, the prepper here, prepper and painter, he prepped it, sealed it, and then painted it. So now really, obviously we're gonna have full coverage on this quarter panel, but we don't have to do as much as we would have had to if it was just primered. So we got the brand new quarter, bland door, a little bit of a repair there on the gate, and then obviously the brand new bumper. So we're gonna wash the bumper, put some sealer on it, and then we'll worry about the car after, okay? So washing with Final White from Finish Master. I still got no gloves. Can't get gloves around anymore. They're all gone. And then I wash with water. Water cleaner. We used to want from PPG. I'll put in the link below what it is. Thanks for smashing the like on the previous video. Thanks for smashing the like on the previous video. That makes me smile. That's awesome. I'm gonna go make some sealer. For a tiny bumper like this, you're not gonna need more than 3 ounces of sealer. We'll be back. Oh yes, on a bumper like this, there's barely any primer there from factory. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a little bit of adhesion from over. Back. Very light, very, very light. You don't have to go crazy. That's it. Here. With the blower, a little bit, turn to about half, right? And this is still damp from water cleaner. It's going to attack it. So we have told you before. If that's new to you, don't knock it until you try it, okay? Slim Combat 1.4, about 30 psi, fluid all the way out, fan all the way open, beautiful gun, a lot of trigger control. You can do a lot of trigger control for this gun. If you pull the trigger a little bit, you can put it on nice and even, misty, like very flat, smooth. If you need more coverage, you pull the trigger all the way. This is an insanely versatile gun, and we have them for sale on the website, motivatedpainters.com. Check it out. Slim Combat, that's the name. Slim Combat. Love this gun. 325 bucks. Can you believe that? Comes with a cup, digital regulator, amazing. Address, do the address! What is the address? Done. And I still have some left. I mix about 3 ounces. Actually, I mixed 3 ounces. So now, let this flash off. While this flashes off, we'll clean the car, right? That's why I left it. Okay. This is Final White. So this is the greaser. it is that you're using. Very, very, very important. Now, when I'm washing, I'm putting a little bit of pressure on it because I want to make sure that I'll get everything out, okay? Now, the advantage of using the microfiber cloth is that it really absorbs everything. So you're not left with stuff on the panel. It's very, very, very efficient when it comes to that. I love microfiber cloth. Like I said, if you haven't tried it, don't knock it. Try it first. Then you can come to your own conclusion. Okay? Some people are just too close-minded and they can't. Man, it's amazing. But hey, people want to live like that, close-minded, with something that can help them in their work, and they don't want to do it. That's fine. That's fine. But not you, my friends. The motivated painter, which is you guys always want to improve. And that's why this community of painters is one of the best ones in the world. Because if there's a better way of doing it, we'll try it. So, which is awesome. Okay. Now I clean with the water cleaner. Now, what I said to you in the last video, which you guys smashed the like, so please smash the like on this video if you're watching. If you watched this far. This car needs to be clean before it comes in here. This car cannot come in here dirty. This car has to come in clean here, all right? So you're just really going over little things. You're not really going like a deep clean on the car. This is like a final wipe. Okay, now, same thing. Gently blow it. And when you blow it, you want to watch what you're doing. You're sure you're not leaving any residue behind as a lens or anything like that, which is why I go with my blower behind it. Awesome, that's what I want. So you got clean hands. Clean hands. Okay, here we go. First coat, gonna be a quick coat. 27 PSI. I'm using my HD base Carbonio. This is a Genesis Carbonio 360 Lite 1.3 Motivated Painters Edition. Same thing with the bumper. I can go a little heavier on the bumper because it has sealers. Remember when I showed you guys about sealers? It's the perfect substrate. So base coat loves sealers. Sealer and base coat, they get along. They get along really well. Since the first coat is nice and light, I'll blow this off really quickly. Right? Boom. Dry. That's it, baby. Hello. And this is going to take just one more coat, control coat, and we're done with this. Same thing with this because I put it on heavier. So another coat like this, control coat, and then we're done. Now, a little tip when you're blow drying, try not to blow like down, right, or against the wall. Beware of where the air is going, right? So if I'm totally missing this bumper, I'm gonna blow air over there and it's gonna pick up and land on the panel, of course. So just a little advice for you guys. But at the same time, this is not painting instruction for you. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just a painter showing you how to paint my car. Don't do anything I say. Here we go. 28 psi, same thing. Okay, we're gonna go all the way down there just so we can get some uniformity on here. Just like that. Boom. Here we're gonna go a little farther than the first coat. Boom. Obviously this color is metallic black, so it's not too hard. But I have managed to screw up easy colors. Let's go over here. There's some light scratches that I can be a nice guy and cover for them on the blend panel, of course. Here we go. So you get some nice coverage in there. Make sure you get the crevices, the edges. And as you can see, like this gun just puts it on really nice. I just love these things. It makes my life as a painter easier. And I paint every day. And I paint a lot of cars. So any little difference in the painting that makes my life easier is a big deal to me. I'm gonna turn the blowers on to dry this quick. We'll be right back. All right. 19 psi, and very quickly, this is a black metallic. This really does not need a lot. This does not need a lot, I tell you right now. Boom. Just like that, done. That's it. Beauty. All right. Let that flush off. It makes it clear. We'll be right back. Here we go. Ready for clear. 1.2 HTE clear. MP edition, of course. Love these guns. Love these guns. Trigger all the way out. Fluid all the way out. Fan all the way open, and then just half a turn close. 30 psi, and that's all I do. And then pull the trigger all the way, really nice. First coat, we're gonna go a little faster, a little farther away. Second coat, a little bit closer, a little bit slower. When you buy this gun, it comes with the gun and the digital regulator and a free blower. So probably about, I would say, 8 inches away. Now you want to put an even coat. So pay attention to the way that I'm spraying. Consistency, right? Consistency. You want to do an even coat. You don't want any dry spots, but you also don't want to run your first coat clear. This is a mix of 530 and 550. EC 530 and EC 550. Two of them. 50-50. And then you gotta let this flash off 10 minutes. And then I'll be ready for another coat. And this has been very, very good to me lately. So I'm gonna let that flash off for 10 minutes and then we'll come back. By the way, smash the like, please. Smash the like. Why smash the like? Because when you smash the like, it tells YouTube, you know, the overlords, to recommend this video to other people. So the cheapest way to get back to the channel is to like. Okay, and comment below if you have any questions. I'll try to get to them. Love you. No, obviously the one time I don't check the camera, it wasn't recording, but I put on the second coat a little bit closer and a little bit slower. Check it out. Nice and shiny. This job is perfect. There's literally nothing wrong with this job. No, no. Okay? There's some dirt nibs. If I painted it, then it's not perfect. Hey, but it's great. It looks great. Took off the fine line, of course. What else can I tell you? That I mixed 20 ounces of clear and used it all up. Anyways, I'm happy with that. See how it looks like after bake. There you have it. There you have it. This is what we used to get rid of the little tiny nips. Whoa. Okay, there goes that. Get rid of the tiny nips. Okay, 1200, and then we went over with 3000, and then that's it. Looking beautiful. Check it out. Obviously pretty scratched. Brand new clear. All right, hope you enjoyed that. Much love. Smash some likes.